number 315. So on the back of the door, we've got this sliding peephole for added security. We've also got this security latch, and we've also got a deadbolt. To the right is this nice large mirror. That way you can check yourself out before you go to the parks. And let's see what else is in this room. Let's check out the bathroom first. So in our suite, the bathroom is on the left, and it's actually pretty large. We've got a bathtub shower over here, and take a look how big this mirror is. And we've got 2 sinks. And let's take a look at what kind of amenities they give us. Ooh, we've got some Paul Mitchell stuff here. Fancy. There's the other sink, some hand towels. Down here we've got extra toilet paper. We've also got a hair dryer. Oh, there's also more amenities in here. So we've got some shampoo, some conditioner, and we've also got body soap. So let's open this door. And we've got a shower. It is so pretty, you guys. Nice and roomy. And this is also where the toilet is. Okay, so I've showed you the bathroom, which is on the left. Now let's take a look and see what is in the closet. The closet is pretty roomy as well. So we've got a safe, we've got some cubbies, and we've got plenty of hangers. There's also a luggage rack holder and plenty of room for our luggage. We've got this laundry bag thing here, we've got an iron, and we also have an ironing board. So that was the closet. Let's move on towards the room. So in this large cabinet here is where we have some glasses. We've also got our microwave, and we've also got our mini fridge. Let's see. Here's the space of the mini fridge. You'll notice that there is no freezer. Here is our ice bucket, and next to the ice bucket is a Keurig. We've got some coffee cups here. We've got some Wolfgang Puck coffees. Some are called Rodeo Drive. And then we also have like an After Dark on soiree. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And then we also got some condiments. Down below is more storage space. And I'm really impressed with all of the storage options. Alright, so I've showed you the bathroom, which is on the right. I've showed you our closet. I've showed you where the microwave is and where the fridge is. Now let's take a look at this desk area. It's pretty huge. Look at all that counter space. We've also got a trash can, 4 drawers. We've got this nice task chair, and we've got this flat screen TV. Over in this area, we've got an Ethernet port, 2 plugins, and then also a USB plug-in. Let me show you the bunk beds a little bit closer. Okay, so I've showed you everything that's on the right side of the room. Let's take a look at the left. So first we've got these 2 queen beds, and I really love the wallpaper. We've got a phone, and then of course we've got our lamp here. And as far as the lamp goes, we've got an outlet on both sides. Pretty sweet. And then here is our clock. And we've also got a cool little seating area at the far corner. All right, let's take a look and see what our view is like. So we've got a little patio, and just a reminder, we are in room 315. So our patio is really small. There's not a lot of room to step outside, but this is what our view looks like. Across the way we can see the Howard Johnson. And from this room we can also see the Matterhorn. I'm sorry it's like really dark, so of course you guys can't really tell right now, but I will try to get a daytime shot, that way you can see what the view looks like during the day. All right, so overall first impressions. I really like this room a lot. It's very aesthetically pleasing. I especially love the wallpaper choice back here. This room is perfect for large families because, you know, we've got the 2 queen size beds as well as the bunk beds over here. And I really like this seating area too a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to me already, I invite you to do so now. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you again real soon.